All right, let's get right into it. Today we're talking about what I honestly think is the single biggest opportunity on YouTube for creators right now. It's this incredible sweet spot where crime storytelling meets deep psychological analysis. And this isn't just another passing trend. Nope. This is a massive shift in what audiences are craving, and we're going to break down exactly why.
So, what does this actually look like in practice? Well, the best way I can describe it is this. Mr. Ballen meets Veritasium. Think about it. You take that gripping, can't-stop-watching narrative style of a master storyteller, and you fuse it with the smart, scientific, aha moments you get from a top-tier educational channel. It is the perfect marriage of pure suspense and genuine insight.
And that combination, it's unbelievably powerful. I'm going to make a bold claim right here at the start. This hybrid niche is exactly where the eyeballs, the algorithm, and the big sponsor dollars are all heading. This is the future of what premium content looks like on YouTube. Now, that is a big statement, I know. But it is not just a gut feeling. The data we have to back this up is seriously compelling. So let's actually dig in and look at the numbers that are fueling this whole thing. First things first, the engagement here is just off the charts. Get this. Gen Z true crime fans are spending an average of 4.6 hours a week on this stuff. A week! And where are they watching? Overwhelmingly, it's on YouTube. You're looking at one of the most dedicated, plugged-in audiences on the entire internet. So you might be asking, what makes this so different from the thousands of true crime channels already out there? It comes down to one crucial difference: the secret sauce. Classic true crime tells you what happened. This new wave, it explores why it happened. That one little shift from what to why adds this whole layer of intellectual curiosity that pulls in a much broader and frankly more valuable audience. And that audience is absolute gold to advertisers. For anyone who doesn't know, CPM is what advertisers pay you for every 1,000 views. In this niche, we're seeing high-end channels pull in CPMs as high as $15. Just to be clear, that is way higher than your average gaming or entertainment channel. It puts this content in a totally premium class when it comes to ad money. But honestly, ad revenue? That's just the start of it. The real money is in sponsorships, and brands are desperate to get in. We're talking about major channels in this space pulling in $20,000, sometimes even more, for just a single sponsorship slot in one video.
So why are they so eager? Well, it's kind of the perfect storm. You've got a super engaged audience that literally binge watches this content. The demographic is a brand's dream, usually 25 to 45 years old, people with actual money to spend. And the ads are such a natural fit. Think VPNs, security products, mental health apps. It's all seen as Netflix-quality content, making it a perfect sustainable business for a creator.
Okay, so the opportunity is huge, that's clear. But with any growing field, the big question is, how do you stand out? The key is to get specific. You've got to find your unique angle and move beyond just generic true crime. So let's check out a few of the most exciting sub-niches that are wide open right now. First up, forensic psychology. This is all about the why. You could build an entire channel just breaking down interrogation techniques, explaining the traits of psychopathy, or diving into criminal profiling. This angle taps directly into that universal curiosity we all have about what makes people tick, and it connects compelling stories with real science. Or you could take a totally modern approach with digital forensics. We're talking cybercrime, sophisticated online scams, and how investigators follow those tiny digital breadcrumbs to solve a case. And remember what I said about sponsor fit? This sub-niche is a perfect match for brands like VPNs, password managers, and cybersecurity companies. It's a no-brainer. Now, if you're looking for an angle with a little more purpose, a little more soul, you could explore miscarriages of justice. This is where you investigate wrongful convictions, flawed evidence, and the cracks in the justice system. An angle like this attracts a really passionate audience that cares about social justice, and it opens up doors to work with nonprofits or educational groups. And finally, there's white-collar crime. Think massive corporate fraud, unbelievable Ponzi schemes, even those high-profile influencer scams we see all the time. This is an awesome area because it attracts a business-savvy audience, and this is a big one. It's usually way safer from YouTube's ad demonetization policies than more violent content. Okay, so as amazing as this all sounds, we need to be realistic. This niche is not without its challenges. It's really important to go into this with your eyes wide open, understand the risks, and more importantly, have a plan for how to deal with them. But here's the crucial thing to understand. For every risk, there is a strategic reward that outweighs it. Yeah, ad demonetization can happen. So you counter that by building multiple income streams with sponsors and Patreon. Yes, there's a heavy ethical burden to tell these stories right. But if you meet that challenge, you build an incredibly trusted and authoritative brand. And creator burnout? It's a real danger. But the payoff is a loyal community that will stick with you through anything. The risks are real, but they are absolutely manageable.
All right, let's put this all together. Let's make it actionable. If you're sitting there thinking, okay, I'm in, what does a practical roadmap to success actually look like over the next couple of years?
Getting started really comes down to these 4 key steps. Number 1, pick your psychological angle. Differentiate yourself. 2, decide on a format you can stick with. And hey, remember, faceless channels do incredibly well here. 3, when you write, script for the why, not just the what. That is your value. And 4, most importantly, commit to being an ethical creator from day one. Respect the people in your stories and cite your sources.
So what does growth look like? Well, this is a pretty realistic path. The first 3 months are all about building your foundation, just getting content out there. Then, around months 4 to 6, the algorithm starts to figure you out, and you'll see a few videos really take off. If you stay consistent, by the end of that first year, you can absolutely be in the authority phase, with a solid audience and a really significant income coming in from multiple streams.
So there it is. The opportunity is undeniable. The audience is there, they're hungry for this content, and the sponsors are lined up and ready. The demand for smart, high-quality storytelling is only going to get bigger. So the only real question left is, what story are you going to tell?